This is the Ducky 12SF in white. So I have here 65% mechanical keyboard. So as you can see, this is powered by a USB-C. So it has 3 adjustable positions. The first one, the second, and the last one is without the stand. Keyboard is quite slim in profile. So it comes with this additional keycaps. For my version, I have the Year of the Rat spacebar keycap over here. The material is slightly different than the all-white keycap. It also comes with a keycap puller. So let me just remove one of the keycap, and as you can see, I have the mechanical brown switches over here. Let me just remove this spacebar and replace it with the one that comes in the box for you guys to take a look at it. So as I said, the material is slightly different, so the sound that it's producing, it's also slightly different than the original all-white version. So let me just change back to the all-white to see if you can tell the typing sound differences. So this is a typing test, just to let you guys know how does the Cherry MX brown switches feel and sound like.